You can lose a cow in a day from one tiny missed sign. Most farmers walk past those signs every morning without seeing them. In the next few minutes, I'll give you 5 daily checks that catch problems hours, sometimes days, earlier. Do these checks every morning and you stop small problems from becoming big losses. These are not theories. They are practical checks you can do with your eyes, your hands, and simple tools. No fancy lab, no costly equipment, just smart observation and fast action. First, the morning health scan. Walk the barns slowly. Look at each animal's head and eyes. Bright, alert eyes mean a healthy start. Dull, half-closed eyes are an alarm. Check head position. A slight tilt, a drooping head, or a cow that moves slower than usual are early warning signs. Watch them walk. A healthy animal moves with purpose. Anything sluggish or uneven, mark that animal and watch it closely. Second, eating and drinking. Feed is truth. A hungry cow eats with focus. If a cow picks at feed, chews slowly, or just sniffs and walks away, that's a red flag. Watch water buckets. Is the animal drinking less than the herd average? Even small drops in water intake matter. Record how many gulps and how often. This simple check catches digestive and early systemic problems. Third, the ground tells stories. Inspect dung and urine during your walk. Normal dung is formed and dark. Watery, pale, bloody or smelly dung is a direct sign of trouble. Cloudy, bloody or very dark urine is equally serious. Don't be squeamish, this is farming data. Note changes, isolate the animal if needed, and track progress. Fourth, coat, nose and breathing. A healthy coat is smooth and shiny. A rough, patchy coat can mean poor nutrition or illness. Check the muzzle. A wet, clean nose is normal. Thick discharge, yellow or green mucus, or a dry, cracked muzzle is a problem. Listen. Resting breathing should be slow and quiet. Fast, noisy, or open mouth breathing at rest is a red alert. Treat it urgently. Fifth, movement and environment. Look for limping, reluctance to stand, or animals isolating themselves. Those are classic early signs. Smell the shed. Damp, ammonia-heavy bedding or spoiled feed creates infections. Check bedding dryness, ventilation and shade. Small environmental fixes prevent many illnesses before they start. Do these 5 checks and you'll catch problems early. But know the threshold. Call your vet immediately if you see open mouth breathing, collapse, severe bleeding, uncontrolled convulsions, or persistent high fever. Stabilize first. Isolate, hydrate, keep warm or cool, then call professional help. Don't wait until it's hopeless.